Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Trading with Nimve. Today we're going to be talking about choosing the right Forex trading platform. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First, we will check some of the available and popular trading platforms that we can use in Forex trading. The first platform on our list is Metatrader 4, also known as MT4. This platform is used by millions of traders around the world and offers advanced charting tools, automated trading, and the ability to customize indicators and trading robots. The second platform on our list is CTrader. It's known for its user-friendly interface and advanced charting capabilities. You can also use customizable trading algorithms and a range of tools for technical analysis. The third platform on our list is TradingView. It's a popular web-based platform that offers a variety of charting tools and indicators. Additionally, TradingView offers social trading features that allow users to share trading ideas and strategies. The fourth platform on our list is Interactive Brokers. It's a well-known brokerage firm that offers a platform that allows users to trade Forex, as well as stocks, options, futures, and more. You'll have access to advanced trading tools and global markets. The fifth platform on our list is eToro. It's a social trading platform that allows users to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders. Additionally, eToro offers educational resources for new traders. These are just a few examples of the many Forex trading platforms available. When choosing a platform, it's important to do your own research and choose the one that fits your individual trading needs and preferences. Metatrader 4 is one of the most popular Forex trading platforms in the world. As someone who has been using this platform for over 10 years, I can tell you that it's an incredibly powerful tool for traders of all levels. I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing Metatrader 4 on your computer. The first step is to download the MT4 installer. You can find the installer on the website of your preferred Forex broker. I will use Tickmill, who is my favorite broker. Simply navigate to the Downloads section of their website and look for the MT4 installer. Once the installer has finished downloading, double-click on it to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install MT4 on your computer. You'll need to agree to the license agreement, choose a destination folder for the installation, and select any additional components you want to install. Once the installation is complete, you can launch MT4 by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which you can obtain from your Forex broker. Once you've entered your login information, you'll be taken to the MT4 platform, where you can start trading Forex. So that's how you download and install Metatrader 4. It's a simple process that should only take a few minutes. Once you've installed MT4, you'll be ready to start trading Forex on one of the most powerful and popular trading platforms in the world. Now let us check how to create a Forex practice account using the broker Tickmill. A practice account is a great way to get started with Forex trading, as it allows you to trade with virtual money without risking any of your own funds. In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating a practice account with Tickmill. The first step is to navigate to the Tickmill website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in tickmill.com. Once you have arrived at the Tickmill website, click on the Demo Account button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal information, such as your name, email address, country, and phone number. Also, you have to select account type. I will select it as Pro. Next, I will select the leverage as 1 to 500. Next, I will input 1,000 as my virtual deposit and account currency as USD. Press the button Open Demo Account to proceed. Tickmill will email you the demo account information, which we are going to use them in our trading platform. So that's how you create a Forex practice account using the broker Tickmill. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. By creating a practice account, you can get familiar with Forex trading and test out your strategies without risking any real money. We'll take a closer look at some of the key features and benefits of Metatrader 4. Once you receive the email with account number and passwords, you can log into your practice account using the login credentials provided by Tickmill. You'll have access to virtual funds that you can use to practice trading Forex in a risk-free environment. One of the things that makes MT4 so great is its user-friendly interface. You can easily navigate the platform and execute trades, even if you're new to Forex trading. MT4 offers advanced charting tools that allow traders to perform technical analysis and identify trading opportunities. You can use a variety of indicators and chart types to get a better understanding of the markets. MT4 allows traders to automate their trading strategies using expert advisors, EAs. These are programs that can analyze the markets and execute trades automatically, without any intervention from the trader. In later videos, we will create some EAs and trade with them. MT4 allows traders to create and customize their own indicators. This can be incredibly useful for identifying trading opportunities and developing new strategies. MT4 offers a range of order types, including market orders, pending orders, stop-loss orders, and take-profit orders. This gives traders a lot of flexibility in how they execute their trades. MT4 allows traders to trade multiple currency pairs from a single platform. This is incredibly convenient, as it means you don't have to switch between different platforms when trading different currencies. MT4 allows traders to test their trading strategies on historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. This can be incredibly helpful for refining your strategies and identifying areas for improvement. MT4 is available as a mobile app, which means you can access the platform and execute trades from your smartphone or tablet. This can be incredibly useful if you're on the go and don't have access to a computer. MT4 has a large community of traders and developers who share trading ideas, strategies, and indicators. This means you can benefit from the experience and knowledge of other traders, and even collaborate on developing new trading tools. So those are just a few of the key features and benefits of Metatrader 4. As someone who has been using this platform for over 10 years, I can tell you that it's an incredibly powerful tool for traders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MT4 has something to offer. In our next video, we will explore the available currency pairs, metals, indexes, and cryptocurrencies on the MT4 platform and placing our first orders to make a profit. In this video, I will walk you through the process of navigating the MT4 platform to find the available trading options, analyzing the market, and placing your first orders to start making a profit. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, Trading with Nimve, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until the next video, stay hopeful.